Nayamu na. Nayamu na. Nayamu na is the na is the long sound. You don't say nayamu na. You should say nayamu na, which means long sound. Nayamu na is mean can't decide. I see the picture. There are many things in front of the women, and she can't decide which one she want to buy. So when you have something to choose. For example, you after you graduate from the university, so you will go to for learn about master, or you will go to work. Okay, so in the case like that, maybe some people cannot decide that it's better to work or it's better to continue for master degree. So in the case like this, you can use the phrase like nayamu na. Nayamu na. This means you don't know how to choose. Okay, and this phrase you can use with your friends or anybody, even your teacher or your boss or anybody that you stay with and talking with.